Hey there, and welcome to this fun little crafty adventure. I have been inspired, and what I have been inspired to make is a new pattern. So far, I've only published 3 patterns out on my Etsy. You can look for them there. They're all under, I think they're all under $4. They're little stuffed animals. I have a little mushroom man, and then I have my 2 little cheeky animals, and they have little butt cheeks, which makes them cute and fun. And I have a little bear, and I have a little sloth, and someday I hope to have a ton of different animals, and maybe even enough to make like a little pattern book. Fun. But I haven't been inspired to write a new pattern for one of these little guys for a while now, but I am feeling excited about it. So I think I am going to make a little cheeky duck. I think that would be adorable. I have the perfect little yellow yarn, and I'm really excited. So that is what I'm going to be making this video. And feel free to, I don't know, hang out, grab your own project, grab a snack, grab a drink, and crochet with me as I write a pattern. And by the time this video is up, you can check out my Etsy, which is Made by Hannah M. Check that out if you would like to make a little cheeky guy. So yeah. Yesterday I started my little duck. I got this far. So I'm just working on school today and listening to some lectures, but I figured it would be okay to crochet a little while I listen. So that's all. Okay, so cute. Biff thinks so too. Cute and adorable. Look at his little behind. Now I'm to the part where I actually have to start, designing new components of the pattern. I need to do wings, feet, a little beak. I think I'm gonna do a little hair on the top of his head. Bippy, please, you're blocking my shot. So here's my little duck guy, and I think I might start on, I don't know what to do first because I want it to all be in proportion with one another, like the beak, the wings, the feet, but I don't know what should decide the proportion. I guess probably the feet, because I should make them in proportion to my other guys, those guys up there. I'll probably start with that. So anyways, that is all. I'm going to try and figure out how to make little duck feet. Right, Peppers? And you know, we're a educated girly, so I'm just gonna be reading about ischemic heart disease. Love to see it. I'm about 2 seconds in and realizing that I will not in fact be able to read about ischemic heart disease while I design a pattern. I don't know why I thought I'd be able to do that. Okay, so currently reaching a point where I'm pretty happy with the legs that I'm coming up with. I guess I can sew it on now just to see how it looks. So I'm gonna make one more leg, sew it all together, probably sew it on. And then maybe I'll do like the beak next. thrilled. That is all. That's all. I'm just thrilled. Ladies and gentlemen, her. Okay, so remember that time where I made wings for my little duck guy and I said I loved them? That was a lie. I chopped them off with scissors last night, and I did in fact accidentally chop some of his actual body and I had to reattach it with hot glue. But he's okay, and we are redoing the wings today. Hopefully I don't hate them this time. So that's all for my little duck friend here. Def liked the new wings better, and I even added little scallops for little feathers. And what's also nice is that he's more proportional to like his other guys who have these long arms. And I don't know, I like him better with these wings. So by the time you're watching, the pattern will be up on my Etsy shop. I'll link it in the description, but also in the channel bio, I think it has that. And yeah, that's all.